We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox not working on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your computer and open the Dropbox application or website. Check if you're connected to the internet because Dropbox needs a stable connection to work properly. If your internet is fine, the next step is to ensure you're running the latest version of Dropbox. Sometimes, an outdated version can cause issues. Go to the Dropbox website, navigate to the download section, and compare the latest version with what you have installed. If it's outdated, download and install the latest update. After updating, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Next, you should also check your Dropbox settings. Open Dropbox and click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Go to Preferences and then the Account tab. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account details. If you're using Dropbox on multiple devices, ensure that there's no conflict with file synchronization. You can also try pausing and then resuming syncing by clicking the Dropbox icon in your system tray, selecting the gear icon, and choosing Pause Syncing. Wait a few moments before selecting Resume Syncing to see if that resolves the issue. If you're still having trouble, go to the Dropbox Help Center on their website for more specific troubleshooting steps. Sometimes, clearing your Dropbox cache can help too. This can be done by navigating to the Dropbox cache folder on your system and deleting its contents. Just be careful not to delete any other important files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.